Welcome to OlympYQ.
Imagine this. The world's very first programmer didn't use a computer, didn't sit in Silicon Valley, and didn't even know what a microchip was. Instead, over 2,500 years ago, in ancient India, a man named Panini wrote a masterpiece that still amazes scientists today. And guess what? His programs weren't written for machines, they were written for language itself. Today, we're unraveling the story of Panini, the genius behind the Ashtadhyayi. Long before Python, C++, or Java, Panini built a rule-based system so powerful that modern computer scientists call it one of the earliest algorithms in human history. Who was Panini? Panini lived around the 5th century BCE, in Gandhara, a region that's now part of modern-day Pakistan and Afghanistan. We don't know much about his personal life, but what he left behind is nothing short of mind-blowing. His magnum opus, the Ashtadhyayi, literally, 8 chapters, is not just a grammar book. It's a blueprint of rules, designed to generate perfect Sanskrit expressions step by step. The Ashtadhyayi, a rule-based system. Think of this. The Ashtadhyayi contains about 4,000 sutras, tiny, compact rules. Each rule is like a line of computer code. Here's how it works. You start with a root word, then apply Panini's rules in sequence. Each rule transforms the word until, voila, you end up with a grammatically correct Sanskrit form. This isn't guesswork, it's algorithmic thinking. Panini even wrote meta-rules, rules that control how other rules are applied. That's basically what modern compilers do in programming today. 2,500 years ago, Panini wasn't just analyzing language, he was building a language machine. Why is it algorithmic? Panini's grammar is algorithmic because it's step by step. Input followed by transformation followed by output. It's deterministic. The same input always gives the same output. It uses recursion and conditions. Certain rules only apply when specific conditions are met. It manipulates symbols, just like computer programs manipulate variables. If that doesn't sound like programming, I don't know what does. Panini built the world's first rule engine, and it didn't run on silicon, it ran in the human brain. Impact on modern linguistics and AI, 430 to 630. Here's where it gets fascinating. Panini's work isn't just ancient history, it's still influencing modern science. Linguist Noam Chomsky's theories of generative grammar sound eerily similar to Panini's methods. In artificial intelligence, researchers use Panini's rule-based logic to study natural language processing. In 2022, scientists at Cambridge University revisited Panini's algorithm and showed how it could still be applied in modern computational models. That means a 2,500-year-old grammar book still has the power to shape today's AI. Let's look at an example. Take the Sanskrit root, gam, meaning to go. Step 1. Start with the root, gam. Step 2. Apply Panini's verb rules. Step 3. Add the right suffix, adjust the sound. Step 4. Out comes gachati, which means, he goes. This wasn't a guess. It was a precise, step-by-step algorithm, like running code and watching the output appear. Panini's genius wasn't just about Sanskrit. It was about structure, rules, and systems. For centuries, his grammar shaped Indian linguistics. But today, it resonates with computer scientists, linguists, and logicians worldwide. That's why many call him the father of linguistics. But honestly, he deserves another title, the world's first programmer. So next time you write a line of code, remember, long before Python, long before Java, there was Panini's Sanskrit machine. A system so precise, so logical, it continues to astonish scholars even today. His story teaches us something timeless: curiosity, logic, and structure can transcend centuries. For more such intersetting content, subscribe to our channel.